Leaperkim's saying here, look, we don't need to make new models. We're just gonna keep re-upping our old models.
So we're turning on Racebox right now, which is more accurate than the GPS on the wheel.
It's real GPS speed.
It's real GPS speed.
Yeah, definitely. The wheel speed is a calculation.
Wheel speed is a calculation.
And
We're doing a real test here. Scientific.
Got the race box. I'll keep it on me.
Oh, the race box.
So we'll see what the wheel speed says and what the
wheel speed and race box.
actual
Okay.
speed is.
Cool.
All these runs?
How much time do I have? Oh, since I just cheated.
Yeah, 3 hours. Alrighty. What will this thing logically do?
He's already going. Holy sh!
That was the fastest I've ever gone. The fastest I've ever gone on a Lynx, no doubt. I think I came close to 60, but
Wow, your first try?
yeah, we'll go. I only hit 76 PWM too.
Wow.
I ran out of real estate there.
Okay, do a few more tests and I'll just catch you doing it. Wow. So you heard it here, guys. This thing is, you can tell he's stoked on the speed. He is really stoked on the speed of it.
Let's do a pre-spin test, because that's important for me to know how fast I can actually go. Not confident in 60 there. We're getting 80% PWM at about 70 mile per hour free spin. Oh, there's a car coming.
What were you doing?
Pre-spin test.
Pre-spin test?
So getting those. Let's hold it at 80%. It's in the 70s. High 60s, low 70s pre-spin.
Okay.
And in my experience with Leaperkims, usually I can ride about 12 mile per hour wheel speed below what it will free spin at that beat.
So what can you go on this, do you think?
I think 58 to 60. You know, I'm a heavier rider. I think a lighter rider can
And
definitely.
a lighter rider, you think they could hit over 60?
Touch. Yeah, probably somewhere in, you know, the low 60s, a lighter rider, but
Okay.
I'm probably could just barely gray 60. We'll see. So
How do you feel how are you feeling the accelerations? Like, it looks peppy, like it off the line.
oh, dude.
Is it like top 3 off the line?
I'm not going for that right now, but I would like to on a cleaner road, you know, feel that off the line start speed.
And you got an off-road tire too, so.
Yeah, well, that doesn't make too big of a difference.
Okay. All right, let's get.
All right. I can feel it start to get loose at that point where, you know, you're running out of power and you don't want to lean too hard. I did hit 60 plus wheel speed on that, so downloading the Racebox data right now to see what that clocks in at.
You haven't made it over torque beep yet?
No,
Wow.
I'm not pushing the torque that hard.
Wow.
One, because it's your wheel, and sometimes when you over torque on a road, you can lose control and
I appreciate
end up
that.
crashing it. So I'm just trying to slowly test a real world speed, you know, on it. So
56.2 GPS as of right now, and that was pushing the edge with a 220 pound rider.
oh, let's see.
And what do you get on the other Lynx?
On the other
GPS.
Lynx,
Yeah.
Like 50.
Oh, really? GPS.
Yeah.
Wow. So it is faster already.
Definitely.
Without a question.
Oh, without a question. You can feel it's quicker.
Okay.
Like,
And the torque.
Yeah,
Is there?
the
Okay. So
torque's-
guys, it
Haven't been
is
able
not
to
false
torque-
advertising.
like,
This is more torque and more speed, scientifically tested here. The torque, I guess, is kind of subjective, but I don't know how we would test that scientifically.
yeah,
But like both of us,
GPS.
everyone feels it. It feels more.
Oh,
torquey.
no doubt. I mean, it's an upgrade.
It is an upgrade.
Better than the Leaper Kim Lynx that was existing, and it's got the 2 years of new technology packed into that same great product that we've all bought so much.
That's a good way of saying it. 2 years of development or 2 years of technology upgrade. It's like a new phone. I mean, 2 years
Yeah.
later.
Yeah, it's the same model, but the next year version of it.
Yeah. And
It's
Leaper,
something that should stick around, really, because
Yeah.
the Lynx is.
I love it. I love it.
And it's great to see some refreshments. Hey, thank you, car companies. They put out something and
Oh, that
it
looks cool.
stays the same for years.
Yeah.
Then they refresh it.
It's a beautiful wheel too. You guys like that?
Leaper Kim's saying here, look, we don't need to make new models. We're just gonna keep re-upping our old models.
Yeah, that's all. I would buy that each year. Like, okay, next year the Lynx 3 is coming out,
Yeah,
but give me, long as it's more each year, I'm happy. Like this, I'm happy because it's more. If they make a Lynx next
Or
year, actually every 2 years would be
every
perfect.
2 years.
Every 2 years.
Yeah, upgrade the big wheel.
Same body. I would like a little bit more body space. If they could just add a little bit more body space, a tiny bit more for the pads, like.
Yeah. Yeah, those Grizzla. You can get Grizzla parts for the older Lynx. that
Oh,
extend
I wonder if that will fit
pads
on
like-
this.
I don't know. It won't actually. I can tell because I've worked on a Lynx enough. This isn't the same.
So they'll have to make
It
new ones.
definitely won't fit, but I'm sure Grizzla will re-up their.
Yeah, if they
standards.
sell enough of these,
So the
because
Lynx S.
Grizzly has to wait till they sell.
Really? I mean, it's a leak.